Hey Craig, Ryan won't go get his CDs.
Why do you want to get your CDs, Ryan? Oh my God, dude.
What?
Are you beard?
I'm beard up.
You're brownied out, huh?
No, I heard that was 8 hours ago. I'm beard out.
No, serious?
It's my 6th or 7th.
He still needs to walk to his car and get CDs. Right?
Yeah, you should get your CDs and then go to the store.
If we're gonna go to the store, we don't need CDs.
And then you go up to.
Oh yeah, right there. Okay, so I zoom in. Oh yeah, look at that. Huh? Pretty neat, huh? Yeah. Okay.
Come on, Joe, drink your beer.
Hey Craig.
Hey Joey, say something funny. Say something funny, Joey. Joey says, "What's funny?"
Oh, okay, cool.
What's funny?
That's what Joey said on the video.
Okay,
A
lot. I mean, there's
two lesbians.
No, I won't tell
Okay.
you. Guy walks into a bar, says, ouch.
And there's that trail going down.
Ouch.
Well, I ride down that.
Ah. Was that the punchline?
Yeah.
It's either
Okay.
walk your bike.
Two gay guys, two lesbians, plan a trip for San Francisco. Which one gets there first?
I don't know.
The
Which one?
lesbians. They get there lickety split while the gay guys are still packing their shit.
Ah, applause. Hey,
done.
knee slapper.
Same trail I raced on.
All right, elbow slapper.
Like in Nicole's first time camping.
It was muddy one right I went on that. And it was like, I swear there's at least 20 guys.
She always has to stick her tongue out.
Went down the middle, and, got a good lead right there. And I was
What are you doing, Nicole?
I ended up 6th.
We saw a pissed off video.
And he was right behind me.
Oh yeah. What's that? Oh, there's Bill. All right.
I did after everybody said they all piled up.
That's like 9.
Yeah.
Hey, Bill.
I don't think so, Tim.
I know that's more than 6.
I don't think so, Ryan.
I know.
Well, you weren't gonna drink today.
Joey.
Yeah, I'm never
You gotta do father son.
Hey, Bill, I'm never gonna drink
Come on, up there.
Bill, I'm never gonna drink again.
Do it for the camera. Either I'm never gonna. Father son.
Yeah. Okay, do your little hand things. You know, the little foot. Alright, this will be cool. Look at that. Whoa, look at him go. Oh man, yeah.
Chicken dance.
There's a little harmony going there. Oh yeah.
God, it feels good.
Oh, I don't.
Dough.
The red light. Oh, there it is. See, it's working. See? I know how to. I did it. I can't see anything out of it though. Oh, the lens is on.
I can't see anything. Let me see it. Oh, it's on. The red light's on.
Yeah, I did it. She's smart. That's why. I swear to God.
No, you're lying.
Alright, I'm
Can I
lying.
see that real quick? I just want to look through it.
Whoa, no, not me.
No, get Tracy.
Oh, yeah, it's video camera.
No.
She's better looking than me.
And you're low.
Come on, look at the camera.
Hello.
Give it a big kiss.
Yeah, drink that beer. Get him. He does it just fine.
Who is that guy? You got it, Tracy.
What?
Give the camera a kiss.
That's what I did too. You know my parents are probably gonna see
Yeah, he
this.
knows it's up.
Hi, Merle. Hi, Miss Tadlock, because I don't know your name.
Maggie.
Maggie. Hi, Maggie.
We only see her on TV a couple times a year, you know.
Check it out. It's not just a pipe.
On TV?
Flowmaster.
Who's that? My God.
My mom.
On TV? Jesus. How
Yeah.
come? Like,
Because she's
national
advertising.
In South City Honda. In Sacramento.
Oh, okay. Well, I own absolutely nothing.
I'm with you. I own this
Nothing.
bag.
I own a bank account.
I own this bag of pretzels. That's what I own.
I own this.
You own that weed that's about to get.
Hub Live.
Nicole's biggest
Hub
complaint
unplugged.
all of the night. Her titties gotten wet, baby, it was a crime. Talking about wet ones.
Yeah.
Wet ones hanging in the wind.
Gotta get the dancing, Craig. Come on.
Yeah. Oh, the dancers.
You're right.
Oh, Dance to the song.
'Cause she's into sin.
Oh, yeah.
Hope she don't barf on my bed tonight. She said, we're going round, round. It's buzzing all around my head. I said, we're going round. It's buzzing all around my head.
Spinning,
And if I didn't
spinning.
have curly hair, I'd be telling you that I'm buzzing instead.
You don't have no hair.
You got no curly hair.
Oh, liar!
Now you're drunk.
Liar!
You're seeing crooked.
Crooked is not like this.
Curly fry.
Here you go.
You're seeing curly fry.
Oh.
We got her.
Oh no, he doesn't want to be recorded.
Look at Ryan.
Oh, look at Ryan. Oh my God. Ryan's dancing to the music.
And on the floor, we got Ryan.
Oh, it's so bullet. A rocket launched up in the air. He's dancing like nobody knows.
I'm laying in my sleeping bag.
Uh-oh, there's Bill. Watch out for Bill.
Bill.
Bill, there's Bill on camera.
I think Bill has a statement. Hello, Bill.
Bill's statement.
Bill.
Bill's statement of the night.
Speech.
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 Listen.
Speech.
What are you saying, Bill?
Bill. Come on, Bill.
I drank a beer.
Don't let us down, Bill.
Yeah.
He drank his beer. He's ready to crash.
And
Crash for the night.
When he pulled down his underwear,
They called him Uncle
all you could
Dinky.
see is Mr. Dinky.
Uncle Dinky is what they call him. Uncle Dinky is his name, and he's proud of his
Yeah,
name.
solo.
Because he plays all the games.
Well, what's he drinking now?
Uh-oh.
That's not water.
Vodka.
Uh-oh.
Look at
Whoa,
him
look at him down it. Oh my Lord. He's gonna be trash tonight.
Oh, yes.
It's the testosterone.
Testosterone.
Here we go.
Who can squirt the farthest?
Say, last night when Gordy and I were playing together, he was able to shoot all the way across the room.
Shh, people aren't supposed to hear this.
But Uncle Huff.
But then when Ryan
All right.
Ryan
Gordy
came
hit
in,
Hub in the forehead.
Ryan was able to shoot across the road.
Pop his hat on.
Shot you right off.
shot
Shot
my
your
eye
ass
out.
out.
Fourth of July.
And then when Bill
fireworks.
came along, why, he shot himself right in the head. Why? Because he was nearly dead. Bill is the only person I know to ever piss off this deck and then turn around
And fall flat on his back.
a half-back gainer right into his own piss mud.
Hey, let's
What do you think about that, Bill?
let's do Bill. Hey, let's do Bill in the morning.
Whatever.
Bill in the morning.
Bill in the morning.
Hey, I'm not drinking beer ever again. Catch that on camera, camera.
What was that?
He's never drinking again.
Oh yeah.
Hey, he caught on camera that time.
You can see it in his eyes. Yeah, right.
Water.
Water. Water. It's clear beer.
I'm never gonna drink again. You can have all my beers.
I'm drinking.
And then he took them back.
I'm drinking Coleman Fuel.
Well, I put him in trust.
Coleman Fuel.
Coleman Fuel.
It's the drink of champions. Except when you fart. Do not back up near any candles or other lighted appliances.
We're talking nitrous powered, baby.
Everybody remembers that.
Oh Lord.
Is that a bar?
Okay.
Okay, Nicole.
She's running away.
No, watch out for the.
I
Nicole,
have a
come here.
question for you.
Nicole.
What did you see when you went into Joey's tent tonight?
His penis.
It's behind the bamboo counter, Nicole.
Was that his peanuts?
Peanuts?
His peanuts or his
peanuts?
His root.
His
peanuts?
His penis. His peanuts. Penis.
What are we doing looking at that?
You want to say his male member?
No wonder you're all wet.
His member.
Quit rubbing your
What the hell's up with that? Jeez. Oh man, dude. Oh god. Oh jeez.
Oh, I gotta take a piss.
Whose tits?
You gotta take a tits.
My tits.
Sweet tits. Hey, sweet tits. You got good fingers?
Oh, I'm not.
Oh, you better got good
I'll
fingers.
fire him right off the fucking roof.
Oh jeez.
I heard that.
Oh boy.
Well, as long as we're talking about fingers, how is it tongue? Oh, wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Oh boy.
Hey.
Let's get her.
Oh, yeah. Grab a beer, grab a beer, grab a beer.
Oh man. This is gonna be good. That's gonna be real good. Oh man. This is gonna get an award. It's gonna go to America's Funniest.
America's
Put your
most
lady in the
bizarre
shower.
videos.
America's most craziest camping story videos. Oh.
Oh man, I wouldn't want to get hooked off of you. You got to tread on thin ice.
Oh yeah. Ow, my shoulder.
All right.
Uh-oh.
Hey,
Okay. Oh no, we can't get one on the barrel of the videotape.
I'm out of it.
Hubby. Oh boy. How come everybody took off? Hub. Wow,
Craig,
What?
they better knock it off now.
I'm not doing anything. I'm making memories. You'll show these to your kids and they'll laugh. They'll love it.
Little salt. Hey, Craig, you want some pepper?
Hub, you're the man. Oh man. This is worse than a cheat.
this is Pine Grove.
Okay. This is my girlfriend. This is my girlfriend, so let's be careful here.